Wall Street is looking at a higher open on Thursday. In a fairly quiet week, attention now shifts to the Fed Symposium in Wyoming. Fed Chair Janet Yellen and ECB President Mario Draghi are both set to speak on Friday. Meanwhile, Kansas City Fed President Esther George says the U.S. economy was strong enough to handle more rate hikes despite recent readings of weak inflation. Now, taking a look at today's data releases, weekly jobless claims in the U.S. rose by 2,000 to 234,000 in the latest week. In the previous session, U.S. indices closed lower, pressure buy shares in the transportation, media, and healthcare equipment, as well as services sectors. 66% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now moving on to company news, Tiffany & Company posted Q2 earnings of 92 cents a share, beating expectations. The luxury goods retailer reported revenue that also beat forecasts, but comp store sales fell more than forecast. Moving on to J.M. Schmucker, the company lowered its full-year outlook and Q1 earnings missed estimates. The company attributed weakness in the retail, consumer foods, as well as coffee segments. Looking at overseas markets, the Nikkei is off 0.4%, the Hang Seng advanced 0.4%, and South Korea's Kospi also gained 0.4%. European indices are pushing higher on Thursday. Now here in the U.S., the focus is on the Dow Industrials. The bias does remain bullish for that index, and long positions above 21,760 are preferred, with targets at 21,846 and 21,900 in extension. For the Nasdaq and S&P 500, the bias does remain bullish.